students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Let us learn mathematics of standard second. Dear children, today's topic is very easy. It is reading pictures. What we are going to do? We are going to observe the given pictures and we will try to understand the given picture. No extra learning today. Got this? Very interesting topic. That is reading pictures. Not to use our brain more. Only we have to observe or watch the picture and we have to write the answers. Whatever we can see in that picture. Okay? See. Observe the picture and fill in the empty boxes. Here you can see the picture. Some children, they are playing in the garden and we can see moms along with the children, right? And here we will go for questions. We have to read the questions asked and then we have to find the answers from this picture. See, number of moms. How many moms can we see here? 1 and 2, right? We have to write here 2. So simple, isn't it? Question number 2. Number of children you can see in the garden. Come on, let us count. 1. Can you see the cursor here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let us write here 10 children. Next, number of rides. Yes, here this is 1 and this is 2. Correct? So 2. Name the rides. What is this called? Slide. Isn't it? What is this? Seesaw. Let us write here slide and seesaw. These are the names of rides. Name the toys that the children have. We can see some toys here. Here you can see the ball, this balloon, this teddy bear, isn't it? So let us write here ball, balloon and teddy bear. Next question, name the place. Yes. Which place we can see in this picture? Very nice, garden. Correct. Very easy, isn't it? Are you having fun? Okay. Let us read many more pictures today. Okay? Here, see this picture. Here also we can see some children. Let us move to the question part. Number of children in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? How many girls can you see? Oh, we have to find out for the girls. Yeah, this one is a girl. So, only one we can see. Right? How many boys can you see? Out of 6, only one girl means here we can see 5 boys. Right? Next, name the different activities seen. Yes. This boy is painting. This one is fishing. This girl is cycling. Right? These two are dancing. They are enjoying. And this one is photographing. Okay, same thing we will write here. Different activities. Painting, cycling, photography, dancing and fishing. Right? Next, name the different things that you can see in this picture. What all are the different things that we can see in the picture? Come on, tell me. Yes. Water, grass, ladder, house, tree, tire, right? Here we can see clouds, sun, so many things you can see here. Let us write trees, house, sun, clouds, water, tire, grass, ladder, etc. Correct? You can write a part of the bridge, right? So many things we see here, cycle, camera, you can add here, okay? Yeah, here you can see a hen and chicks. We'll move to the questions. Number of chicks means young ones of hen, right? Murgi ke bacche. Okay, how many are there? 3, 4, 5. 5, right? Okay, number of hen? Yes, only 1. Nice picture, isn't it? What are the chicks doing? What they are doing? Yes. Guess. Right. They are listening to their mom. The chicks are listening to the story. She is narrating the story and they are listening to the story. Right? Next. What does the hen do? What she is doing? Very good. Hen narrates the story. She is reading the story. Next, what odd thing do you observe in this picture? Anything odd you can see in this picture? Yes, see here. Hen is wearing specs. Correct. Let us write here. Hen wearing spectacles and hen reading the book. This is the odd thing, right? These are the characters of us, means human beings. So these are the odd things you can see in this picture. Here one more picture. Okay. You can see so many children along with the teacher. Right? How many children are listening to the story? Your teacher is reading the story and she is explaining the story. And how many children they are sitting near teacher to listen the story? See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Let us write here 5. Next question. How many children are playing? Yes, some children they are not interested in story. They are playing with the toys. 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 let us write. Next question. Can you name the place shown in the picture? Yes, this is the place. Yes, please name the place. Yes, classroom. Very good. This is a room from the school. Right? Name the different games seen in the picture. Yes, we can see some games. Here, see this shuttlecock, ball. Here also one ball is there. This is a tricycle. Yes, this is a toy car, teddy bear. These are alphabet cubes, right? Let us write here. Balls, tricycle, shuttlecock, alphabet cubes, toy car and teddy bear. Right? Got this, children? Picture reading is very, very easy. Only you have to observe the picture properly. And you have to understand the questions asked. And then you will get the answer easily. Right? Okay. One more. Observe the picture and answer the following questions. Here, no fill in the blanks. Here they will ask some questions. You have to observe the picture and you have to answer the questions. Number 1. List the animals seen in the picture. Yes, here we can see so many animals. Let us list. This is monkey, duck, dog, cat. Here can you see rabbit, deer, tortoise, one more tortoise, these two also ducks, right? Okay, let us write here monkey, dog, cat, ducks, rabbit, deer and tortoises. Ducks and tortoises are more in number, so here we have written ducks and tortoises. Okay. Next question is count the trees and write the number. Okay, let us count the trees. This is 1, 2, here behind this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one is 7. Right? We can see here 7 trees. Right? Next, which animals are in the water? Yes, you can see some animals are inside the water and some animals are outside the water. So, which animals are inside the water? Yes, tortoise. Here also one more and ducks. We'll write here ducks and tortoises. And which animals are seen outside the water? Yes, rest all we can write the names of the animals which are outside the water. That is monkey, dog, cat, duck, rabbit and deer. Right? One duck is outside the water. Correct? Next, what did the children do? What these children they are doing? A girl and a boy. Yes, observe carefully and tell me. Very nice. Girl is reading something. And boy? Yes, he is listening and he is enjoying. Let us write here. Girl is reading the story and boy is enjoying the story. Am I right? Okay. Next, can you see flowers? Where are the flowers? Yes, here we can see the flowers in the plant. Right? Yes. If yes, then count and write the number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can see here 4 flowers. Right? Yes, there are 4 flowers. One more picture. Observe the picture and fill in the empty boxes. Number of hearts, how many? You have to count and you have to write. Okay, that is 8. I will write here the answer, but you have to check whether it is right or wrong. Number of bullocks, 2. See here, correct? Name the different things that you can see in the picture. What all you can see? You can see herds, you can see people, mountains, trees, yes, bullocks, water, pots, whatever you can see, you can write here. Okay, something I have written, you can add some more. Next, what does the man do who is in blue dress? Yes, here it is. The man in the blue dress. Yes, what he is doing? He is catching fish. Correct? Got this? Okay. This is from your textbook. Observe the picture of the weekly market above and fill in the empty boxes. This picture you can see in your textbook. Okay. Here we can see the marketplace. So many children, so many people, vegetable sellers, fruit sellers, some vegetable carts also we can see. Okay, let us move to the question part. Observe the picture. Okay, carefully. Now the question is the number of vegetable carts. Yes, this is a fruit cart. So leave this. We can say apples and bananas, right? This is a vegetable cart. This is one. This is second. This is third one. Right? And this is fourth one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So let us write here 4. Okay. Next is the number of people selling fruits. This one is first. And here also you can see a lady who is selling the fruit. Pineapple, orange you can see. Right? Correct? This man is selling vegetables. Yeah, these two. So let us write here 2 people, they are selling fruits. Let us move to the next questions. Four fruits on sale in the market. Yes, you can see here apples, bananas, pineapples, and these orange and chickus also are there. Let us write any 4 fruits here. Apples, bananas, pineapples and oranges. Okay, you know the names of the fruits, isn't it? Okay, next 5 vegetables being sold in the market. See the vegetables. So many vegetables we can see here: potatoes, onions, lady's finger, carrots, cucumbers and cabbage, brinjal. Right? Let us write some from these: carrots, cabbages, brinjals, lady's fingers, potatoes and onions. Yes, dear children, like this you have to observe the picture given carefully. Okay, without observation you can't write the proper answer. Okay. Yes, 3 more questions are there. You have to find out the answer for these questions. Okay, because this is the question from your textbook. The number of boys you can see, the number of girls and the number of people, okay, who have brought their own cloth bag to the market. That you have to find out. Okay, observe the picture carefully, then you will come to know the answer. This is also from your textbook. This is a road picture. Okay, traffic. You can see bus, car, rickshaw, motorcycle, cycle, etc. And the questions on this picture are: here, count the number of vehicles in the picture and write. See how many cycles can you see? Only one, isn't it? Bicycle. And how many motorcycles? 1, 2. How many cars? 1, 2, 3. How many buses? Only one bus we can see. How many autos? Yes, 2. Right? Okay. Observe the picture. Complete the flow chart given below it. See, name the vehicle that has stopped at the red signal. That you have to observe, you have to write the answer. Okay, I am not going to give you the answer. Only I will read the questions. Which vehicles are moving at the green signal? C. Which vehicles in the pictures cause air pollution? Which of the vehicles, bicycles, motorcycles, cars, buses, rickshaws, are the most in number? Which are more in number, that you have to write. Count and observe. This is also from your textbook. With your parent or guardian, stand on the side of a road with a flow of traffic and count the number of cars of different colors you see passing by. From what you see, can you tell which color of cars is the most popular? See here, the traffic. You have to stand beside the road along with your parent, and you must have to count the cars of different colors, and you have to decide which cars you have seen more. Okay, this is an activity. One more activity for you. Scatter some grains for sparrows or pigeons and count the number of birds that come to pick them. Will you be able to tell if one of the birds comes again? Yes, is it possible? Why it is not possible? Guess. You will get the answer. See dear children, this is homework for you. Observe the picture and answer the following questions. Here some questions are there. Okay, you have to observe the picture carefully. Very nice picture, beautiful picture that you have to observe, and you have to answer these 5 questions. Okay, if you read the question, then you will come to know the answer from this picture. Observe the picture and frame the questions. Here one different thing you have to try. Here you have to frame the questions. How I frame so many questions now, like that only. Try to frame the questions. How many children are playing cricket? Yes, name the place. Or yes, how many trees you can see? How many cattle you can see? Like this, small questions you can frame from this picture. Okay? Thank you dear children. Children, go through some more pictures from your textbooks, may otherwise on magazines, and try to observe the pictures carefully. These pictures tell their stories to you. Okay? Bye.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.